Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You absolutely can use your favorite Xbox One controller on a PS4 in 2025, but not directly out of the box. Many gamers find the Xbox controller's layout more comfortable or prefer its sticks and triggers for specific titles. It's a common desire to bridge this gap, especially when you already own a great controller. This easy guide will walk you through exactly how to connect your Xbox controller to your PlayStation 4, ensuring a smooth gaming experience. Unfortunately, the PS4 and Xbox One were designed with different proprietary communication protocols for their controllers. This technical difference means that simply plugging your Xbox controller into a PS4 USB port will not work. The console won't recognize it. Each system uses its own unique software drivers and hardware designs, preventing any direct cross-compatibility. It's an intentional barrier, but luckily, there's a straightforward solution available today. The simple and most reliable solution involves using a specialized third-party controller adapter. Brands like Brook or Mayflash offer excellent options that bridge this compatibility gap effortlessly. These smart devices essentially act as a translator, converting your Xbox controller's signals into a language your PlayStation 4 can perfectly understand. They provide incredible plug-and-play convenience, requiring almost no complex software installation, allowing you to get straight into your games with ease. Setting up your adapter is surprisingly straightforward. First, always ensure the adapter you choose explicitly states compatibility with both your specific Xbox One controller model and your PlayStation 4 console. Next, simply plug the adapter itself into a free USB port on your PS4. Then, follow your adapter's specific instructions to connect your Xbox One controller to it, whether it's via a USB cable or a quick wireless pairing. It truly is a plug-and-play process. With an adapter, you've successfully unlocked the freedom to use your preferred Xbox One controller across your entire PS4 game library. This simple, effective solution significantly enhances your comfort and overall gaming experience without the need to purchase another dedicated controller. You no longer have to compromise on ergonomics or familiarity. So go ahead, grab your favorite Xbox controller, and dive into all your PlayStation 4 adventures with the setup you love most.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.